Homemade antifungal medications. While there are no homemade antifungal medications that can replace prescription or over-the-counter treatments, there are some natural remedies that may help manage fungal infections. These remedies may not be as potent as medications specifically designed for fungal infections, so they are best used as complementary measures. Here are a few options. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has antifungal properties and can be applied topically to the affected area. Mix a few drops of tea tree oil with a carrier oil, such as coconut oil or olive oil, and apply it to the affected nail or skin. It's important to perform a patch test first to check for any skin sensitivity or allergies. Apple cider vinegar. Soaking the affected area in a mixture of water and apple cider vinegar may help inhibit fungal growth. Mix equal parts of water and apple cider vinegar in a basin and soak your feet or affected nails for 15 to 20 minutes daily. Rinse and dry thoroughly afterward. Garlic. Garlic has antifungal properties that can be beneficial. Crush a few garlic cloves and apply the paste directly to the affected area. Cover it with a clean cloth or bandage and leave it on for a few hours before rinsing. Coconut oil. Coconut oil contains a compound called lauric acid, which has antifungal properties. Apply virgin coconut oil to the affected area several times a day. Oregano oil. Oregano oil has antifungal properties and can be used topically. Mix a few drops of oregano oil with a carrier oil and apply it to the affected area. It's important to note that while these natural remedies may have antifungal properties, they might not be as effective as prescribed medications. If your fungal infection persists or worsens, it is advisable to consult a healthcare professional for a proper diagnosis and appropriate treatment. They can provide guidance and recommend the most suitable course of action based on your specific condition.